Hi and welcome back. In the last update for the Pro and ProMax, a new feature was added to the cycling mode called Smart Ascent. It doesn't really say too much in the release notes what this does, other than the fact that it allows the drone to rise in a crowded scenario for safer cycling. Now, apart from that, I couldn't really find much more online about how the actual feature works, until somebody posted a video on Reddit. So I contacted the poster, asked them if I could use the video, and I thought I'd go through with you today about exactly what it does. Now, it seems to be that once you go into cycling mode, the Smart Ascent is automatically switched on. And what it seems to do is, as the drone is following you, it uses its downward sensors to determine if there's anything beneath you. So if, for example, you were going along and there's another cyclist and the drone approaches them, the downward sensors will detect that, it'll rise the drone up, and then as you pass over it, it'll drop down. Now, one thing I want to say is the video is from a third party. I've got their permission to use it. The rights and wrongs of the video is not really why I'm here. It's just to show you how exactly the feature of the Smart Ascent will work. Now, at the start of the video, you'll notice the drone is bobbing up and down. Now, this isn't a defect. What's happened here is the cyclist and the drone are going roughly the same speed, but the drone is detecting the cyclist, so it's rising, it's passing him, then obviously it's clear, so it's dropping down. He's accelerating slightly, so it's going up. So it's giving that bobbing effect as the cyclist is more or less underneath the actual drone itself. And then you'll notice as the drone comes down, the cyclist accelerates in front of the drone, so the drone drops. The cyclist is following, comes over to the left, and the drone then goes round to the left to the side of the other cyclist. So then, as you can see, it's behind the cyclist in the white Adidas jersey, but then it starts to rise up, and because they travel in more or less the same speed, it starts to bob up and down again as they travel along. Now, if you're doing this in a nice open area, you've got no issues. But unfortunately, in this case, the drone actually crashed. And this was because further down the road, there were traffic lights coming out over the road. The drone then had followed the cyclist, detected the one below it, risen up too high, and crashed into these traffic lights. Okay, so that's the video, not too long, just basically to explain what the Smart Assist is. If you found it useful, give us a thumbs up and the like and all that stuff, and I'll catch you again next time. Thanks very much.